into the major currencies of Forex market. When it comes to Forex, the currencies are denoted using 3 letters. So you can see here EUR as European dollar and USD as US dollars, GBP as Great Britain pound and AUD as Australian dollar. So sometimes it is also called as Oxy dollars. And next NZD, New Zealand dollar, which is also called as Kiwi dollar sometimes. And CAD, Canadian dollar, CHF, Swiss franc, which is the dollar of Switzerland, and JPY, Japanese yen. So these are the major currencies of Forex. On this basis, we pair the currencies and we differentiate also like major, minor, and exotic and all. We'll learn that in detail in the coming videos. So anyway, these are the major currencies which are going to deal with. Thank you.